Linxio is designed for companies both large and small that want a more efficient way of managing their fleet. Equipped with tools to monitor the live locations of your vehicles, trip history and vehicle maintenance, our GPS fleet management software understands the complexities of managing a fleet and delivers solutions that significantly improve efficiency like route optimization, driver behavior, vehicle inspections and maintenance, asset tracking, active alerts, notifications, and much more. That's right, we connect your fleet, team, and assets to a unified platform that returns insightful data to help you run a more efficient business using the latest technology and innovative software. Offering a wide range of 5G GPS trackers to suit any business requirements, there is nothing we cannot track. Coupled with asset trackers, Linxio enhances asset and heavy equipment safety, which allows your business to do more through extended geofences and class-leading network coverage. With our integrated live streaming dash cams that come with high memory capacity and options for live streaming, and with our Bluetooth IoT sensors, get even more insights into your fleet through driver identification, temperature tracking, door status, seat occupancy, and much more. The best part? Give access to your team to complete job sheets, vehicle inspections, business and private trip reports, and check the leaderboard for best performing drivers. All this can be managed from a phone, tablet, or computer so you never miss a beat, even when you're out in the field. Want to learn more? Connect with us at linxio.com and discover how we can help you lower your fleet and labour cost while increasing safety and revenue for your business.